necktie that I took a picture of. And then Chad gives me the information, that this is a nice tie, solid resale potential. Tells me what I have, what brand, what line, materials. Made in the USA, this is a big plus. It helps a lot. Pattern, and then it goes on to tell me the typical comps for something like this. I paid $2.99 for this item. So when I go to a thrift store, Goodwill, or Salvation Army, what I do is you can see I just take a picture, and I don't know, this time I turned the tag around, it's $2.99. And then I try to get a clearer picture of this, but I was in a little bit of hurry on this one. And then what I do is I look at it, and if it tells me the comps are good and the item looks good and it's got a good resale value, then I come down here, I look. It even tells me the title description that I can copy paste that's already ready to go. And I just copy and paste that when I do my description on my, I use Nifty, so I just click it onto there. And when I get a chance, I'll show you how I use Nifty also. It's a big help. So this one for $2.99, you can list it for $19.99. Well, when I looked at it, I'm gonna go ahead and go for $24.99. So that's what I like to do for this one. So let's see. Hold on. Let's see what else I can show you. I've never seen before, so I took a picture of it, and it looked like it's in pretty good condition. And this was actually yellow tech today was like 50% off, so it was $1.50 basically. Never heard of this brand, so I just looked it up. I mean, I took a picture of it and I said, okay, well, let's see what we got. So yeah, chat says it's a nice find. Let's break this down for the resale value. And of course, it tells me the name of the brand, which I cannot pronounce. And it's a designer boutique style brand, but like it says here, you know, it's not like a Brooks Brothers, but better than a generic mall brand. So, okay, let's see. So then it tells me the resale value, 15 to 30 for $1.50. It's silk, and my cost is $2.99. Of course, it was 50% off. And he goes on to tell me what he likes about this one: the pattern, the texture, the color, fabric, and it's not a cheap polyester. And what to check for? That's another thing that's really nice to have. So I'm always looking for stains, pulls, snags, you know, wear on the tip. And then he says here, it gives you a BOLO tip. This will help you long term. When you see brand names like this, textured woven patterns, thick quality feel, these are often boutique designer ties that outperform basic brands. So that's good to know. That's a big help. So it goes on to say that we can sell it on eBay, Poshmark, and Macari, and it gives you a price strategy. So here's a title that I can use, like copy and paste if I need it. And hold on one second. That it looked like a really nice tie. It was in good condition. Took a picture of it, and then it says a nice find. Let's break this one down. Gave me the name of the tie, what style and branding it is. It's not like a Zegna or Ferragamo, but still has a luxury precision and appeal in the market right now. So the resale value was not very much at first. Let's see. It could push 15 to 20. And what Chad did like about it, texture, not flat is better. Clean, small pattern, classic, business friendly, dark navy, easy cell color. And it does look like a higher end. That's what I thought when I saw it. So gives you what to watch for. So BOLO tip important for you when thrifting ties texture brand sometimes. And I think it went over through that earlier. Woven, thick, unique patterns, not polyester. So it gave me a title that I could copy and paste. And I think I just went down to here. The verdict was for $2.99. It's a safe pickup. Not a home run, but good filler inventory. So there you go. That's how I kind of do the neckties when I go to the Thrift, Salvation Army, or Goodwill. And I like that it gives me different looks here so I can see what they kind of look for. I mean, what they kind of look at like. So there we go. Let's see if I can find one more. Well, an item that I listed. This is how I listed on Nifty. I want to really recommend Nifty to you. But it does a description for me, or sometimes Shad gives me one, and I'll put it up here, right here. And this is how I take a picture. On Nifty, I can remove the background, so that helps a lot. So I put $25 for this one, or best offer. And then here's some more pictures. I usually just take off the background of two photos, and then here's a few more pictures. And if there's something wrong with it, I try to list it. Like that one has a little, the tag was kind of loose, so I try to make sure that I put that on there to show. But you can trust me, a lot of times it doesn't matter, something like that. If they like the tie, they will buy it. So I just want to show you how I list my items. And later on, I'd like to show you how I use my Nifty to help me. It makes it a lot easier. Before, I used to have to type all this by hand or find a tie like this. It was similar. And then I had to put the description. And man, with AI and Nifty now, it don't take long at all. So I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. I showed you earlier. This is how I list it with my Nifty AI cross lister. And it gives a name and the materials and what color basically it is and what price I can put on there, price that I'm selling it for. And then I'll take a couple of pictures so you can get an idea. Because when I first started, I didn't know how many pictures do I take or stuff like that. But I usually take about 6. And most of the time, I've been finding out when it says made in the USA, it's good. So it's worth a little bit more. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how I list my items and how I list them and things like that to give you some information how you can do this. And hope you find a lot of good neckties and they'll surprise you when you take your pictures with your chat. Man, this is art. However, you can find out, but uh, you can't really beat chat. He tells you everything. You just tell him what you want to know, and he'll give you some good information. So, again, I hope this helps you. Hope you find a lot of good stuff out there. Thank you so much.